Welcome guys to the channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you a lantern I got 6 or 7 years ago. And here it is. Beautiful, isn't it? And this one runs on one LR20 battery. And the light you get from this one is cozy and warm. We will be back after this message. Welcome back guys, let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the lantern guys, and it has a beautiful top section, beautiful mid section, and beautiful base section, and one big beautiful light in the middle. Here we have the on and off button, and this light thing here is a light sensor. So when you turn this one button on, when it's light outside, this lantern will be deactivated. When it gets darker, it will activate and give you a warm light, and it's cozy. And if you have turned this off, it will not be activated at all. And I will show you what kind of light this will give a little bit later. The design on this one, I really like it. I like this style on the design because it's a beautiful and classic style, and I like every corner on this midsection. It's my favorite style on a lantern, and I will show you how this will look like when it's lit up. So I'm gonna prepare this, and we will be back in a couple of seconds. Welcome back guys. I have prepared this lantern now, so I have turned it on, but I have to turn this light off so you can see how it looks much better. So let's get into it guys. And here we are. Beautiful light, and this flashing, it's supposed to do it because it's mimic a real flame. So I love this. It's the bright yellow orange color to it, so it's really cozy. I really love this lantern, and as I said, I have used this many times before. And please leave a comment what you think about this lantern. That's all for today's video guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. And ShadowScoutSwede, I'm out.